Medical Terminology JJ-T01-0067 oscilloscope.
Oscilloscope. Oscilloscope.
Okay.
Photofluorogram.
Right.
Physicist. Radiation. Radioactive. Radiodermatitis. Radiograph. Radiographer. Radiography. Radiologist. Radiology. Radiolucent. Radiopaque. Radioscopy. Radiotherapy. Rentgenology. Scilography. Sonogram. Thermography. Tomography. Ultrasonic. Ultrasonography. Venography.
Okay, now we scramble the words, and I'm going to read the definition of each term, give you 2 to 3 seconds to guess the answer, and then maybe Stefan is going to type it for you. We start with nature specialist.
Physicist.
To swing O, instrument for examining.
Oscilloscope.
Ray O, picture record.
Radiograph.
Salivary O, recording.
Scilography.
Vein O, recording.
Venography.
Renten, which you just type it because it's in lowercase, and then O, study of.
Rentgenology.
Light O, fluorescence O, record.
Photofluorogram.
Ray O, dark.
Radiopaque.
Beyond sound O, recording.
Ultrasonography. Ultrasonography.
Okay. Beyond sound pertaining to.
Ultrasonic.
Ray O, study of specialist.
Radiologist.
To cut O, recording.
Tomography.
Ray O, skin inflammation.
Radiodermatitis.
ray o to shine.
Radiolucent.
Ray o, one who records.
Radiographer.
Radiant process.
Radiation.
Ray o, visual examination.
Radioscopy.
Ray o, acting, nature of.
Radioactive.
Ray o, recording.
Radiography.
All right. Ray o, study of.
Radiology.
Heat o, recording.
Thermography.
Ray o, treatment.
Radiotherapy.
Sound o, record.
Sonogram.
Okay, thanks for watching, and please visit our website. Thanks.